My brothers and sisters, sometimes in life, we get so busy, so distracted, that we forget the most important truth. The truth that one day, this life will end. And what will remain is only what we did for Allah. Pause for a moment. Ask yourself, am I living today as if it could be my last? You see, we all make mistakes. We fall. We sin. We slip again and again. But the beauty of Allah's mercy is this: He never shuts the door. No matter how far you've gone, He's still waiting for you to return. Think about that. The same Allah who gave you life, who has blessed you with health, food, family, He's the same one who forgives again and again. So the real question is, are you ready for His reminder today? Because this reminder is not just words. It's a wake-up call. A call to change. A call to reflect. A call to stop delaying. How many times have we said, tomorrow, I'll pray. Tomorrow, I'll start reading Quran. Tomorrow, I'll fix myself. But tomorrow never comes. Life doesn't wait. The grave doesn't wait. My dear brothers and sisters, don't let your heart sleep while your soul is awake. Turn back now. Make dua now. Pray now. Because every breath we take is a gift, and every gift has an end. So, are you ready for Allah's reminder today? Or will you let this moment pass by, like all the others before? The choice is yours. Don't forget to subscribe for more powerful Islamic motivation and reminders that keep your heart connected with Allah.